Welcome to iPacky. In this video we will demonstrate how to use picking notes in iPacky. Picking notes is a very useful feature for improving the information flow. It will allow the warehouse workers to write notes discovered during picking and packing. This note will be sent to the back office or a supervisor by email. The difference between packer's note and picking notes is that packer's note are linked to orders, while picking notes are linked to products. In order to activate picking notes, we must set an email address of the recipients. Select Settings. Select Picking Notes. Type in the email of the recipients. Separate emails with semicolon. You can change the email subject and body, or translate it. Do not change the variables in brackets. Save the changes. The icon for picking notes will appear in Order Check. The note will be emailed when the order check is complete, tagged as incomplete or save and quit. It will also appear in on-screen batch picking. The note will be emailed when the batch is completed. iPacky adds the product that was clicked. Now you can enter the note on that product. Click the Save button. You can also edit the picking notes in the Actions menu. We have now demonstrated how useful picking notes are. A much improved information flow over paper notes or verbal messages that can be lost. Thank you for watching this iPacky video. For more details, read in the help system, or watch videos when they become available on iPacky.com or on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. Start packing error-free today.